my friends, this is affordable off-road recovery, and we just almost there. Where these two, we were thinking it's two jet skis, a trailer with two jet skis. It was involved in an accident, and as soon as we pass the light, we should be see how is it. Anyway, as you can see, it's the time of the traffic. Oh no! Hey, today, Chepito is driving the tow truck. As you see it, and I'm the camera guy.
He's not helping me today, so make sure you see all the mistakes and comment.
He don't make mistakes. I do. My friends, we are in the accident scene, and that's the jet skis, and actually it takes the boat, like the light pool, you know. You can see the jet skis there. And it's right there, the other one. And looks like the Chepito is checking it out to see how we're going to retrieve all the jet skis and put it into the trailer and see how everything is gonna go. So we see how we're going to do that, okay? Stay tuned in. One moment, we'll be right back with you guys. Okay, my friends, action is coming. Okay, hold on. The action is coming. Okay, and it's right there. As you see, it's starting to retrieve the jet ski. In a few minutes, we're going to see the other one. Okay. So, I glad the customers is okay. I believe it's no serious injuries. Okay, so we just hook in the other one and see how it's gonna go. And it's coming. Okay, hold on. Let's go. see. Okay. It's coming the first one. It's coming the first one. First jet ski. Right there, okay? We're going to put it first over there in the very end. Okay. Hey, we're going to put it like this. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. Oh, yeah, like that. Maybe okay. ¿Qué pasó? Déjame, es que tengo yo que. Let me. Yes. Okay. Okay, my friends. That's how we recovery off-road. This time by the I-15 freeway. Just standing it. Oh, my friends, Chepito is tightening it. He tightening it a lot of times, for sure. The change is not gonna go anywhere. Okay, I think it'll be all right. Well, that's the honors, I believe, and we still have to go for the trailer. Okay, we'll be right back with you guys in a little bit. Wait. Did you saw that trailer? Those semis just don't stop, almost, you know, hit the other car. Well, we almost finished over here to the scene where the accident is. Okay, so we're going to see how we're going to recondition this thing, so that way we don't have any surprises with that big long tail. Anyway, we'll be right back with you guys in a little bit. One tire from this trailer is somewhere over there.
Oh no!
So we see what happened, okay? Chepito went to go get it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So it's right there, the tire. Okay. Yeah, looks like we're done with this vehicle. Okay. So looks like everything is kind of clean up. Okay. Oh, it's no more, and it is clean. It's clean, and that's how it looks the truck. So see you next time, I guess. Thank you for watching. This is Affordable Off-Road Recovery.